Welcome to the Missouri Ethics Commission's Following Campaign Finance Money tutorial series. This video will introduce you to the MEC's search function and explain the basic terminology you need to know to follow the money. Many candidates and all campaign finance committees must disclose all money received and spent on campaign finance reports. These reports are available for the public to view on the MEC's website. Starting from mec.mo.gov, scroll to the bottom of the homepage where you will find a box labeled Searches. As you can see, each search option in the left column helps you learn more about a committee's campaign finance activity. When viewing a committee's campaign finance reports, you will see a list of contributions received and a list of expenditures made. Campaign finance activity begins with a donor who gives money or resources to a committee. The committee reports this amount as a contribution. Then, the committee spends the money they received to support or oppose a candidate or ballot measure, depending on the type of committee. These expenses are reported as expenditures. Keep in mind, not all candidates or committees are required to register and file reports with the MEC. Candidates who do not meet the thresholds to form a candidate committee and local ballot measure committees that choose to register and file exclusively with their local election authority are not included in the MEC's campaign finance searches. This concludes our Introduction to Following Campaign Finance Money tutorial. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we will demonstrate how to use the candidate or committee name search.